If Grammarly is giving you a sign in error, don't worry, this is usually something small and easy to fix. In most cases, the problem comes from a browser conflict, a stuck session, or something on your device blocking Grammarly from loading correctly. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to fix the Grammarly sign in error so you can get back into your account fast. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, open your browser and go to Grammarly. If the sign-in page is not working properly, the very first thing you want to do is clear out any old Grammarly data stored in your browser. Sometimes Grammarly tries to load an old session, and that can cause the sign-in screen to freeze, loop, or fail completely. To do that, type chrome://settings/content into the address bar and press enter. This opens your browser content settings. From there, click on View Permissions and Data stored across sites. Now you'll see a list of websites and saved site data. Look for any entries related to Grammarly and click the trash can icon next to them. Removing this data helps reset the connection and clears out anything that may be interfering with the login process. Once that's done, the next step is to check for conflicting browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, VPNs, script blockers, or privacy tools can sometimes stop Grammarly from signing in properly. To check this in Chrome, type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press enter. On the extensions page, look through the list and temporarily toggle off anything that could interfere with websites loading correctly. If you have an ad blocker, a VPN extension, or any privacy-related add-ons, disable those first and then try signing into Grammarly again. If the login works after turning off one of those extensions, you found the cause of the issue. You can then leave it disabled for Grammarly or re-enable it later after you finish using the site. If Grammarly still will not let you sign in, try refreshing the page and signing in again after clearing the site data and disabling extensions. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. You may also want to make sure your browser is fully up to date, because outdated browsers can cause sign-in errors on modern web apps. If you're on a work or school network, another possible issue is that your network may be blocking certain Grammarly services. In that case, try switching to a different network or turning off your VPN temporarily and then test the sign-in process again. Another useful step is to open Grammarly in an incognito or private window. This gives you a clean session without most extensions or cached data, which makes it easier to tell whether the issue is coming from your browser settings. If Grammarly signs in fine in incognito mode, then the problem is almost always related to browser cache, cookies, or an extension on your normal browser profile. After you get signed in, you can go back and turn extensions back on one at a time until you find the one that caused the conflict. That way, you keep Grammarly working without guessing. So, to quickly recap, if you are seeing a Grammarly sign-in error, clear Grammarly's stored site data, remove any saved permissions, disable conflicting browser extensions, and test again in a clean browser session. These steps usually fix the issue without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Grammarly troubleshooting tips or other software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.